Question number 37. Which of the following is an example of infectious disease? So, from the given alternative, which one is said to be infectious disease? Good. So, eggs, goiter, scurvy, and anemia. First, let's define what infectious diseases are. Infectious diseases are diseases that are transmitted from infected person to healthy person. So generally, these can be classified into two basic categories. These diseases can be classified into two basic groups: infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. But what's the difference between these two types of diseases? Infectious diseases are also known as communicable diseases, or simply we can say contagious diseases. But what does contagious disease mean? ተላላፊ የሆኑ በሽታዎች ከሰው ሰው መተላለፍ የሚችሉ በሽታዎች infectious disease, communicable disease, or contagious disease ይባላል። So these that can be transmitted from infected to healthy body. ከበሽተኛ ወደ ጤነኛ ሰው መተላለፍ የሚችሉ በሽታዎች በአጠቃላይ communicable diseases, infectious disease ብለን እንወስዳቸዋለን ማለት ነው። But what makes them different from the other diseases? These diseases are caused by pathogens. እነዚህ በፓቶጂንስ አማካኝነት የሚመጡ በሽታዎች በአጠቃላይ ምን ይባላሉ? ኢንፌክሽስ ዲዚዝ ይባላሉ። These are caused by pathogens. But what does pathogens mean? Pathogens ማለት ምን ማለት? pathogens ማለት እነዚህ በሽታ ሊያመጡ የሚችሉ በጣም ጥቃቅን የሆኑ ተህዋሲያን ናቸው። ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝምስ ላይክ ባክቴሪያ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ፕሮቶዞዋዎች ሊሆን ይችላል፣ እንደ ፕላዝሞዲየም ፎር ኤግዛምፕል፣ ቫይረሶች ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ፣ ባክቴሪያዎች ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። So these different types of fungus, for example, these are said to be pathogen microorganisms. So the different types of disease that can be caused by these causing microorganisms are said to be infectious disease. Whereas non-infectious diseases are basically caused by malnutrition. Malnutrition ማለት ትክክለኛ ያልሆነ የአመጋገብ ዘዴ መጠቀም። To little or too much consumption of food is said to be malnutrition. When results in undernutrition or overnutrition. ስለዚህ ከማልኑትሪሽን ወይ ደግሞ ትክክለኛ ባልሆነ የአመጋገብ ዘዴ የሚመጡ በሽታዎች ምን ይባላሉ? Non-infectious disease ይባላል። በነገራችን ላይ non-infectious disease ማለት ተላላፊ ያልሆኑ በሽታዎች። እነዚህ በሽታዎች ከሰው ሰው መተላለፍ የማይችሉ non-communicable የሆኑ በሽታዎች ናቸው። So, let's say for example, deficiency diseases are an example of non-infectious diseases. Deficiency diseases that are caused due to lack of food. These are a good example of non-infectious disease. So from the given alternative, which one is an example of infectious disease, communicable disease, contagious disease? These are can be transmitted from infected to healthy person. A AIDS, B goiter, C scurvy, D anemia. So which one is caused by pathogens, by these causing germs? The answer is X, because it is transmitted by virus. I mean caused by virus. The name of the virus that cause AIDS is said to be HIV. HIV stands for human immunodeficiency virus. So AIDS is a kind of infectious disease which is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. How about goiter, scurvy, and anemia? These are a kind of deficiency disease. These are caused with lack of food. So these are classified under the category of non-infectious disease. Let's say, for example, goiter is caused due to lack of iodine. The enlargement of thyroid gland is a neck. Goiter is caused by lack of iodine. Scurvy, bleeding of gums. This is due to lack of vitamin C. Whereas anemia is due to lack of iron. So anemia, scurvy, and goiter. These are a kind of deficiency disease. That's why deficiency disease are also classified under the category of non-infectious diseases. So the answer for question number 37 is X. The next question number